Hey everybody, this is BMC Tech Guy. In today's video, I'll be talking about web components and what they are. I'll also be explaining why they can be helpful to use with your company or business. So let's get to what web components are first. I found this site. Um, it's called webcomponents.org. I'll be leaving a link to this site in the description box below. So when we get over to the site, you can see that there's a nice little introduction of what are web components. So web components are a set of web platform APIs that allow you to create new custom reusable encapsulated HTML tags to use in web pages and web apps. Custom components and widgets built on the web component standards will work across modern browsers and can be used with any JavaScript library or framework that works with HTML. So if you scroll a little bit farther down through this website, you'll see that web components are based on four main specifications. Those four things are custom elements, shadow DOM, ES modules, and HTML templates. So custom elements, that lays the foundation for designing and using new types of DOM elements. The shadow DOM defines how to use encapsulated style and markup of web components. The ES module specification defines the inclusion and reuse of JS documents in standard-based modular performant way. The HTML template defines how to declare fragments of markups that go unused at page load. If you scroll farther down through the website, you'll see how to use a web component. Also, how do I define a new HTML element? I also created my own site. I'll be leaving a link to that as well in the description box below. Let's head over there and check out how to see how web components can be helpful to use with your company or business. So this is my site. Let's scroll through it. First, have a little introduction of what web components are, and then if you scroll down, you'll see why why use web components at your company. So web components can be a great solution for companies that use different JavaScript frameworks across different sites and would like to keep those sites or like to keep the look and feel of those sites consistent. A good way to achieve this consistency is through a design system. A design system allows you to share UI components across multiple teams or projects. This enables you to deliver a consistent brand and user experience at scale. Um, while there are many different tools and frameworks that you can use to build a design system, web components are a particularly good option for organizations that use different tech stacks across different teams or projects. Instead of developing multiple render targets for your design system, you can build a component library that can be consumed across all the different tech stacks. So as your designs iterate and you want to deliver updates to the design system, instead of having to revise, say, the React and Angular component, you only need to update the one web component. So I hope you found this video helpful. Once again, I am BMC Tech Guy. I'll be back next week with another video. Thanks for listening.